So we're proving that 2 sine squared x plus 3 cosine of x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the easiest way to do this is that we know that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. Therefore, sine squared x equals 1 minus cosine squared x. So if we replace this sine squared x with 1 minus cosine squared x, we get that 2 times 1 minus cosine squared x plus 3 cosine of x minus 3 is equal to 0. So now we can simplify this. First we distribute the 2, and we get that 2 minus 2 cosine squared x plus 3 cosine x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. So negative 1 minus 2 cosine squared x plus 3 cosine x minus 3, scratch that, is equal to 0. And so we can multiply this whole thing by negative 1. 0 times negative 1 is still 0. So this is still equal to 0. And this is 1 plus 2 cosine squared x plus 3 cosine x is equal to 0. And so this is factorable into cosine of x minus 1 times 2 cosine of x minus 1. That's equal to 0. So now we can take these two things, and by the zero product property, we can rewrite them into cosine of x minus 1 equals 0, and 2 cosine of x minus 1 equals 0. So cosine of x equals 1, and cosine of x equals 2 cosine of x equals 1. So cosine inverse cosine of 1 equals x, and inverse cosine of 1/2 equals x. So the easiest way to solve this is not to use your calculator, it's just to draw this out in the unit circle. So cosine is the x, so when the x value is equal, on the unit circle, the x value is equal to 1, that's at 0 degrees, so it's at 0 degrees plus 360n, and it's plus 360n because this is a lowercase cosine, not an uppercase cosine. And so cosine is 1/2. Here, we'll draw this, so that's 0 degrees. It's 1/2 at 60 degrees. So there's cosine, since it's the x value, is also 1/2 at negative 60 degrees. So negative 60 degrees as well. And so because cosine is lowercase, you have to put the plus 360n. So what we get is that x equals 0 plus 360n, comma 60 degrees plus 360n, comma negative 60 degrees plus 360n. So this goes away, and so this goes to 360n. So this is the answer.